started as just a landscaping business in 1983. We've added the nursery, and within the nursery we've started our own growing operation and wedding floral arrangements.
I mean, we're a full-service landscaping company. We do everything from maintenance, hardscape, construction, irrigation tree removal, fall and spring cleanups, and then we move into snow removal in the winter months.
People really appreciate the family-owned business. They tend to, especially if you're a local customer, you tend to want to use a family business to help them out in this community.
Sometimes we take an hour or two just to walk around with someone. If they come in to design their own landscape, we'll walk around with them, we'll do a drawing for them.
Helping customers, find whether it's the right hanging basket for them or a shrub or a tree. See the customers, pick out that perfect plant, that you had a part in that.
When you see other people satisfied, it really makes your job rewarding.